Hi guys, how are you? Kinga here. Today I want to talk about Figma. This year we switched from Canva and Photoshop to designing our layouts in Figma. And I must say it's been an incredible change for positive. It's just I am absolutely in love with Figma right now. Today I want to show you two ways how to export your layouts from Figma to Klaviyo. I've done a little bit of a research on YouTube and I can see there are tutorials how to export HTML code from Figma, which you can, by using plugins, you can import them into Klaviyo. And I also see how to export slices from Figma to Klaviyo. But there's another way that we are using, which is exporting the whole layout from Figma and then slicing it in Klaviyo. So I want to show you both and you can choose whichever is better for you. Right, so I am here in Figma where I duplicated a design of my Christmas email that we send out to our customers. I duplicated and I'm going to be using it as an example to show you how to slice it. So basically we go into the slice tool and then we are slicing all the elements. I want to make it more precise. This is one element. And then I'll go back to my slice tool, and then I'm gonna slice this one. This one. And then the last one. Okay, slice one. Slice 2, slice 3, and slice 4. So now basically what you need to do is just double click. It will start the export process. As you were to save it, you know what to do. All right, so this is one way of saving it. And then importing into Klaviyo as your individual slices. Another way to do it is by basically exporting this whole layout as one. Basically select the whole email, export, preview it here, and then export it as a full image. Let me just do it this way. I'm going to save it on my desktop, and then I'm going to go into Klaviyo, which I have it right here. I cleaned up this template, so it's just header and footer. And now we are going to import this whole image into a Klaviyo library. So I'm going to upload an image and then it's right here. Okay, now that this image is uploaded, I'm going to start crop it here in Klaviyo. So I'm going to click on it, I'm going to crop it, and then I'll just start cropping exactly where I need this image to adjust. Just like that. And then done. Now I'm going to duplicate. Go here, crop again. As you can see, it's holding the whole image in here. I'm just going to shift this and crop it like this. And then done. Duplicate again. Crop it. Again, shift to the next part. Done. Basically move this. And then I'm gonna duplicate this one again. Go here, crop it. And now I'm just going to move this down. So as you can see, this is actually a much faster way to slice it. Now, obviously, we want to make sure that copy text is set up as text. So this is more for tutorial purpose, but I find this way much easier and faster to crop it than to slice it in Figma and then importing and exporting each slice separately. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna record more videos for you, so hopefully you'll learn something. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.